number of collisions at crossings have actually dropped by 85% since 1978.
They don't happen that often. When they do, the results are catastrophic.
Chief Safety Officer Scott Sauer from the Southeastern Pennsylvania Transportation Authority said that sometimes drivers don't have much time to react.
A second or two from the time the bells and the lights begin to the time the gate starts to go into the down position.
The Federal Railroad Administration credits improvements such as those flashing lights and gates for decreased collisions above ground, but accidents happen underground as well. In January, hundreds of Washington, D.C. passengers were trapped inside a smoke-filled metro train for 1 hour, and just last week in Boston, passengers kicked out train windows when an MBTA car filled with smoke. Passengers encountered similar evacuation chaos after the Metro North collision in New York on Tuesday.
We've seen in the past problems with emergency doors or not enough emergency windows.
Former National Transportation Safety Board Chairman Deborah Hersman says officials should look at ways to better educate riders.
We've got to make sure that we are taking the knowledge that we learn from these crashes, collisions, fires, and applying them.
Infrastructure improvements could lead to a decrease in collisions, but for right now, transit officials nationwide are focused on their evacuation procedures. They want to make sure that passengers know what to do when something goes wrong.
Jeff, thanks. This morning, the Navy is celebrating the firefighter of the year. The machine is called Sapphire. The robot weighs 143 pounds and stands about 6 feet tall. It is described as having a superhuman range of emotion. Right now, it is just a prototype. The Navy hopes one day it will inspect damage on ships. It is able to walk on uneven surfaces, and it uses a rotating laser to see through